Hi everybody! Today we're going to learn how to bill expenses to clients. So here's the thing. When you are fixing or building something for a client, you usually buy materials or tools in order for you to complete your job, right? So how are you going to tell the client, hey, I spent this much for all the materials in order for me to build this part of the patio right here? So this is what we're going to learn today. So I already have a couple of expenses waiting for me on the backing page that are related to one specific client. So this is one. When you are spending money directly related to a project or a client, it's a cost of goods sold transaction. So in this case, we bought sprinklers and drip systems. Make sure to click on billable in order for you to have that option on the customers tab, and you select the customer it's related to. I highly recommend you take a picture of the receipt and you upload it into the system in case there's a need for any evidence. So you click on add attachment. You find that file, you open it, and then it'll upload, and once it says 100% uploaded, you can just click on add. We're going to do the same thing with this next transaction. Don't forget to add your receipt. Also, one quick thing, I highly recommend that whenever you're adding a transaction, you make sure that the vendor or payee is in here in case you want to look at reports or you want to search for something specific. Make sure that all these boxes that are selected here for you to enter something are correct and completed. So once I added those two transactions, I'm going to go to the customers tab for me to send the invoice for those two charges. So I'm going to go to sales and click on customers. I'm going to find Duke's basketball camp. You see the two transactions that I just added are right here. So what I'm going to click is create invoice. And since there was two transactions, I have on my right side another billable expense that I can add to the invoice. So I'm going to click add, and now I have the two charges on this invoice. The invoice date will be today's date. The customer email, it's already here. The billing address. I'm not going to add any labor right now since I didn't work on the project yet. I only bought the materials for me to start the project. So the balance due for the client will be $690 with 38 cents. So we're going to click save and send, which will send the invoice via email to our client. This will be the subject, the body, and this is how it would look. When you review this invoice and you can review this PDF and you agree with everything that it says, you can just click save and close and you're done. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us on our website of johnsonaccountancy.com or call to 619-371-9393 and we can help you out with anything that you need. Thank you. Have a good day.